Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Shopify bundles. Product bundling is a powerful strategy where you group two or more items together and sell them as a single package, usually at a discounted price. This approach offers several key benefits for your online store. It can significantly increase the average value of each order, driving up your overall sales. Customers appreciate the convenience and the perceived value of getting a good deal, which boosts their satisfaction. Plus, bundling is an excellent way to manage your inventory, helping you clear out slower-moving stock by pairing it with popular items. There are primarily two methods to create product bundles on your Shopify store. First, you can set them up manually directly through your Shopify admin. This method is straightforward and works well if you're just starting with a few bundles or want to test the waters. The second, and often more robust, option is to use a dedicated Shopify bundling application. These apps offer a wealth of advanced features, including various bundle types, automated inventory management, and valuable performance analytics, making them ideal for scaling your bundling strategy. If you choose the manual route, here's how to get started. First, navigate to your Shopify admin and create a brand new product, giving it a clear bundle-specific title like Skincare Starter Kit. Next, in the product description, make sure to explicitly list every single item that's included in this special package. Then, set an attractive, discounted price for the entire bundle, ensuring it's less than the combined cost of buying each item individually. A crucial step is to manually adjust the inventory for each component product every time a bundle sells to maintain accurate stock levels. For a more automated and feature-rich experience, consider installing a Shopify bundle app from the App Store. There are many excellent options available, so choose one that aligns with your specific bundling needs, whether it's mix and match or volume discounts. Regardless of your chosen method, always focus on offering compelling value. Curate bundles with complementary products that naturally go together, making the offer irresistible. Finally, promote your bundles effectively. Feature them prominently on your store's homepage, relevant product pages, and leverage your marketing channels to maximize visibility and sales.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.